Optimizer is generally used for used for creating alternative representation of products or assemblies for size reduction or geometry creation better adapted to specific contexts. If you don't want to show our data or do not want to use the data to vendor or our supplier, we can send the data in this dump format, which is a tesserated format. In a swept volume format, we can say. DME optimizer is ability to combine mesh specification with other functions such as swept volume, wrapping, and child out. Generally, it is used for packaging purpose also, providing a powerful digital mockup management tools. Vibration volumes we can create, mesh specification commands are available, combine mesh specification with child out, warping, and swept volume functions show powerful impact of wrappings representation when used in continuous with mesh simplification. Generate wrapping surfaces or volume, or generate shallow surfaces, generate thickness, generate offset, generate swept volume, free spaces, export representation resulting from mesh simplifications in as STL format. So nobody can measure that. It converts surfaces into volumes for realistic digital mockup analysis in thickness format. Takes into account security margins by adding an offset value to a selected set of shapes. We can change the dimension of that shape. Dummy dimensions we can put so that nobody can duplicate our products. We can perform space reservation by generating the swept volume of moving parts, swept volume, so that further people's or further suppliers cannot create any obstacles in between that swept volume. They will they will design their data except this space. Generate maximum global wiping envelope of vibration parts and vibration volumes. Facilitate further analysis and design in assembly by visualization the free space. Manages the different representation by saving and reusing them for productive DME review and analysis purpose. It will create accurate representation of a part while reducing its size by only keeping its external representation. It generates simplified representation of part, ensuring confidentiality, protection when communicating with suppliers. Generate lighter representation of part by simplifying mesh to use user selected level of accuracy. Here I will show you. The vibration volume, if you see, these are the tools which will help you to make a shield edges. Suppose we want to hide information part which is patented part or any, so we need to keep security for this particular part. So we can create shield edges for this part. You can see preview. So in reference part or any other part we can put, or we can save it. We can create wrapping surface for this part. So if you see here with accuracy level 0 or any cubic, you can see. So it is in cubic format, it is not in actual format. So we can say this space is majorly equipped by these components. We can create a thickness faces for this. We can create offsets. So offset value we can give here. So it will be change dimensions, or we can keep we can keep 10. So accordingly it will be change its shape. So many like swept volume is also available. So which require different commands. Free spaces, we can say here free spaces required for this. So this is a free space for this component which is reserved, or any component you can take. For example, this component you can take. I want to keep a free space for this. So instead of giving an actual component, I can give this shape to my supplier by saving this to any locations.